First question is choose the correct options. Which one of the following is not a resource? The Indian Prime Minister, our geography book, a small piece of paper, none of these. The answer is none of these. Second is which of the following does not have an economic worth but is valuable? Shoes, mountains, coal, none of these. And the answer is mountains. Third is the types of resources on basis of stocks are ubiquitous and localized, actual and potential, rewindable and non-rewindable, abiotic and biotic. And the answer is rewindable and non-rewindable. Fourth is which of the following is not a rewindable resource? Solar energy, water, soil, natural gas. And the answer is natural gas. Fifth is which of the following is an example of sustainable development? Ignoring the lights when they are switched on but required, not wasting paper, using coal and petroleum disposal fast place, none of this. And the answer is not wasting paper. Second question is fill in the blank space given to complete each sentence. A substance becomes a resource if it has utility. Second is dash and dash are two important factors which make substance resource. And the answer is time and technology. Third is on the basis of level deployment resources are classified into dash and dash. And the answer is actual and potential. An actual resource to crazy weight might be a dash resource some time ago. And the answer is potential. Windmills generate dash energy which is a resource because it is never end up. And the answer is wind. Sixth is also rewindable resources can be replenished. We should be dash regarding their use. And the answer is careful. Seventh is coal and petroleum are examples for dash resources. And answer is non-rewindable. Air is a ubiquitous resource since it is found everywhere. Physics factors affecting the presence of localized resource are dash, dash and dash. And the answer is terrain, altitude and climate. 10th is using resources carefully. The giving them to rewind is called resource conservation. Third question is state whether each of the following statements is true or false. We should waste water since it is a rewindable resource and we do not need to be careful in its use. And the answer is false. A resource always has the same economic value. And that's false. With respect to electricity, water and potassium resource until a few years back. And that's is true. All natural sources of energy are rewindable. And the answer is false. A farmer is a human resource. And the answer is true. Resources need to be conserved for future generation. And the answer is true. Sustainable development is a way to resource carefully as well as saving them for the future. And the answer is true. Fourth question is match the items given in column 1 correctly with those in column 2. First is resource. And the answer is utility. And second is windmill. And the answer is a rewindable resource. Third is a plant and trees. And the answer is biotic resource. Fourth is a vehicle. And the answer is human made resource. Fifth is rocks and minerals. And the answer is abiotic resource. First question is what is the conditions for a substance to be called a resource? And the answer is a substance needs to have some utility to be called a resource. Second is what do you understand by the word utility? And the answer is if a substance can be used in a way it is said to have utility. Third question is what are the natural resources? And the answer is resources that are drawn directly from nature are called natural resources. Fourth question is what is the name given to type of resource that have limited stock? And the answer is the resource having limited stock are called non-rewindable resources. Fifth question is how are resources classified according to their distribution? And the answer is on the basis of their distribution resources are classified into ubiquitous and localized. Sixth question is give 3 examples of abiotic resources. And the answer is land, air, soils. Seventh question is how are human made resources different from natural resources? And the answer is human made resources have been created by human beings whereas natural resources are provided by nature. Eighth question is what is human resource development? And the answer is improving quality of human skills in order to make some more useful is called human resource development.